Hey everyone, Tom Parmentier here, co-founder of MaxHousePrice, and today I want to talk to you about the risks of selling a house as is and what you need to know before making that decision. Selling a house as is can be an appealing option for homeowners who want to avoid the hassle and expense of making repairs or updates, but there are some important factors and risks to keep in mind. So let's explore the top 10 risks of selling a house as is. The first risk is wasting time on the market. Without making repairs, your home may not be as attractive to buyers and you may receive fewer offers. Be cautious too, because many times buyers who are interested in as-is properties may be less likely to qualify when they make an offer, which can in turn cause delays, canceled closings, and even further extend the amount of time your home is on the market. The second risk is home inspections. Before finalizing a purchase, buyers often request a home inspection. If the inspector finds significant issues, buyers may back out of the deal or ask for a lower price. Without making repairs in advance, you're leaving the fate of your home in the hands of the inspector and ultimately the buyer. The third risk is appraisals. If your home needs significant repairs, it may not appraise for the value you were hoping for. This can lead to financing challenges as the buyer may be unable to secure a loan for the full amount. As a result, you may have to lower your price or make significant concessions to close the deal. The fourth risk is negotiating challenges. When you sell a house as is, buyers know that you're not willing to make repairs or improvements. This puts them in a position of power during negotiations, as they can offer a lower price with the knowledge that you're unlikely to counter with repair demands. The fifth risk is overestimation of renovation costs. Buyers interested in as-is properties may overestimate the cost of renovations, which can lead to lower offers or deals falling through. They may assume that the cost of repairs are higher than they actually may be. Once again, the negotiating power is being held by the buyer in these situations. The sixth risk is multiple sales attempts. When selling a house as is, it's not uncommon for the property to stay on the market for a long time. This is especially true if the home needs significant repairs. In some cases, a realtor may have to relist the property multiple times before finding a buyer, and this could lead to significant delays as well as additional costs associated with marketing and staging the home for each time the home is relisted. The seventh risk is repair costs. Now, selling a house as is doesn't necessarily mean that you won't be able to sell it without making any repairs at all. In fact, in some cases, you may be required to fix certain issues before the sale can be finalized. This could include problems with electrical or plumbing systems or windows that don't operate properly, which could be costly to repair. It's important to keep in mind that if these repairs are not made, it could scare off potential buyers, leading to longer market times and lower offers. The eighth risk is buyers falling out of contract. If a buyer discovers that the repair costs are higher than anticipated or they're unable to secure financing, they're going to back out of the deal. This can be frustrating and time consuming and can ultimately lead to your home sitting on the market for an extended period of time. When this happens, you'll have to start the selling process all over again, which can be time consuming, expensive, and super frustrating. The ninth risk is potential legal issues. When selling a house as is, it's important to properly disclose any significant issues to potential buyers. Failure to do so could result in legal issues down the line. Buyers have the right to know about any defects or problems with the property, and failure to disclose this information can result in significant financial penalties. Lastly, selling it as is comes with significant financial risks. Without making necessary repairs, your home may not sell for as much as you were hoping, which will leave you for less money towards your next move. This can be especially problematic if you're relying on the sale of your home to purchase a new one. Additionally, without making the necessary renovations, your home may not attract the type of buyers who are willing to pay top dollar for a move-in ready property. So what is the solution? Well, when you sell a house as is, you're essentially leaving money on the table, whether that's time or actual sales price. Buyers are willing to pay for a premium for homes that are move-in ready. By not making necessary renovation, repairs, or updates, you may be limiting the pool of potential buyers and reducing the amount that you can ultimately sell your home for, and you're extending the time to take to get it sold. At Max House Price, we understand the challenges that come with selling a house as is. Our team of experts can help you navigate the process from identifying necessary repairs to make sure that a sale will go through, and executing and recommending renovations that will maximize your home's value to put more money in your pocket. By working with us, you can avoid the risks associated with selling a house as is and feel confident in your ability to sell your home quickly and for the best possible price. In addition, we offer a no-risk solution that allows you to defer payment until the home sells. So there's no out-of-pocket cost, and you can avoid the cost and hassle of making repairs and updates on your own while still achieving the best possible sales price. If you're interested in finding out more about our services, feel free to contact us today and we'd be happy to chat with you about your home. You can reach us on the web at MaxHousePrice.com, or you can call us at 703-215-2144. Thanks for watching and happy selling. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and advice on home renovation. Thanks so much.